Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to our today's lecture. So, yesterday we have completed the exercise D. Okay. So, what was the exercise D? We have completed. We can see. Yesterday we have seen actually the underline the proper name and the insert with the proper name and underline the common name. We have seen in the sentence if we have to just find out the common name and proper name. In the common name we should underline and the proper name we should encircle. Okay, so yesterday we had completed the exercise D. Now we will see the exercise E. Okay, in the exercise C, what they have given to us, match the common noun in a common A with suitable proper nouns in a column B. See, open your page number 11. We can see the exercise E. So exercise E में हमको they have given us to 9 what column first and column second. तो हमें कुछ वहां पे क्या दिए गए हैं, हमको कॉमन नाउन्स दिए गए हैं. तो सो वी हैव टू जस्ट फाइंड आउट द प्रॉपर नेम. सो यू शुड राइट इट ऑन द करेक्ट मैचली विद द कॉमन नाउन्स, करेक्ट मैचली विद द आंसर्स. Okay, let's start and we should find out the answer. First name is country. So when you recall on your mind the country name, so we have to just find it out कि हमको पढ़ते पढ़ते वहां पे कोई कंट्री नेम दिख रहे क्या. So obviously we have to all the 9 answer we should read out. First Sunil, there is no country name. The Jungle Book, no. Mercedes, obviously it's a car name. Geeta, no. Mount Everest, obviously not. Agra, Red Fort, the Times of India. Next is the Bangladesh. So obviously Bangladesh is a proper noun. So we have to put in a country's name. Okay, so the right answer is the Bangladesh. Got it? Second name, city. City already we had read Agra. Okay, see when you have write it down the first letter, you should be write it in a capital letter. Okay, so don't forget it. It's a must remember. City, it's a Agra, isn't it? Okay, next boy. Obviously we read, actually we have to read boy. It's Sunil. हमें क्यों इतने जल्दी पता चला? Because all the answer we have read one by one. Then building का नाम क्या है बताओ जल्दी. It's a G. Red Fort पता है आपको, जो लाल किला. Obviously it's a building. So you can write the building is a Red Fort. Okay. अच्छा, it's a R. Okay, next newspaper. अब न्यूज़पेपर कौन से है आपको पढ़ना है वहां से. The Times of India. Everybody knows. So many people know about this word. The Times of India. Yes, the Times of India. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है? Okay, next book. Obviously in the second column B में second answer the Jungle Book. Already the last one is book दिया है, तो easily we recognize the book's name is obviously it should be the Jungle Book. So book is the common name, so obviously we should take in a proper name to the Jungle Book. See the next one. What is the next one? Car. Obviously we had to write it down one by one. So we got to know is a third portion with the Mercedes. So obviously I told you that the Mercedes is also the car's name. Okay, so we should put the proper name is a Mercedes. Okay, Mercedes. See, please you have to write it down the correct spelling of Mercedes and each and every words, each and every single words. Okay. Then girl. What is the girl's name? They have given to us the Geeta. Geeta is the girl's name. Then mountain peak, जो पहाड़ की जो चोटी है इसको किसको बोलते हैं? Mount Everest. Mount Everest has a mountain peak. So this answer is Mount Everest. Mount means क्या होता है? Mount Everest आपको पता है पहाड़ी, एक नाम Mount Everest. Mount Everest. See, please write it down on your textbook. First one is country. Please write it down the correct answer. Don't mismatch your answer. नहीं तो पता चला सिटी का बांग्लादेश में लिखोगे, कंट्री का आगरा में लिखोगे. So don't mistake. Okay. So you have to write it down the properly. We'll give you 5 minutes. Please write it down. Country's name Bangladesh, Bangladesh. बांग्लादेश. सिटी आगरा है ना, जो शहर. कंट्री देश है, सिटी इट्स अ शहर. द बॉय इट्स अ पर्टिकुलर पर्सन नेम, इट्स अ सब्जेक्ट. ओके, मतलब इट्स अ कॉमन नेम. ओके, द प्रॉपर नाउन इज सुनील बिकॉज इट्स अ पर्सन नेम. देन बिल्डिंग्स, इमारत सबको पता है तो ऑब्वियसली रेड फोर्ट इज देयर. न्यूज़पेपर, सो मेनी न्यूज़पेपर here, but there is a mention the specific times of India. Next one, book. Obviously I told you there is a already the mentioned book, so easily we know about the Jungle Book. Then car, obviously Mercedes, the name of the car. Girl, Geeta, easily we know. Mountain, it's mountain peak, मतलब पहाड़ी की चोटी. तो obviously answer we will go with the Mount Everest. Okay, आया समझ में? ओके, कम ऑन, लेट्स मूव ऑन. एक्सरसाइज F. Exercise F. Okay, what is the exercise F? It's a write common nouns for this group of the proper nouns. See, वहां पे क्या दिए गए? हमको proper nouns दिए गए. We should द करेक्ट वन, मतलब हमको वहां से पढ़ के हमको देखना है कि व्हाट इज द प्रॉपर नाउन. नो, इट्स अ कॉमन नाउन. सी, फर्स्ट क्या दिया एफ में? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एफ. यहाँ पे क्या करना है हमको? प्रॉपर नाउन दिए गए हैं वो देखे हमको क्या लिखना है? इट्स अ कॉमन. फर्स्ट क्या दिया है? सी, फर्स्ट में भोपाल, कानपुर, लखनऊ, मथुरा. तो ऑब्वियसली जब हम पढ़ते हैं तो हमको इजीली पता चलता है कि these are all the cities. These all are the cities. तो obviously it's a क्या है? ये सब है cities है. It's a cities. भोपाल, कानपुर, लखनऊ, मथुरा, ये सब क्या है? ये cities है. Come on, write down. Second one is India, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Russia. What they all are? It's a country. COUNTRY. ये सारे क्या है? ये सारे देश है. और ऊपर वाले सारे सब क्या थे? इट्स अ स्टेट है ना, ये राज्य थे. और सेकंड वन क्या है? इट्स अ कंट्री. देन नेहरू, गांधी, सोनिया, इंदिरा. इनको क्या लिख सकते हैं हम लोग? They all are leaders. लीडर्स भी लिख सकते हैं. मीन्स वो सी पॉलिटिशियन तो नहीं आएगा, लिख सकते हैं, बट सिंपली इट्स अ लीडर. लीडर्स है वो, नेता है ना. They all are leaders. Next, जनवरी, जुलाई, नवंबर, दिसंबर. ये किस में आते हैं? मंथ्स. all they are months. So it's a common noun. So months. Understood? Okay. Last one, Monday, Tuesday, Friday, Saturday. I know you know the answer. Fifth answer is weeks. क्या है ये सब? weeks है ना? अंडरस्टूड? आया समझ में? तो प्लीज अब ध्यान से लिखिए. प्लीज डोंट मिस्टेक इन योर spelling and please write it down with good handwriting. Use the dark pencil. CITIESCT COUNTRY country. इसके लिए कंट्री है जो हमने सब पढ़े हैं. What? The India, Nepal, Sri Lanka and Russia. Leaders Gandhi, Nehru. Months November, December and weeks Monday, Sunday. Okay. आए समझ में? See the next one, collective nouns. See students, already we have taken the proper noun. We know about the proper name, specific, the proper name, the persons and the animals and things. Second one is we have to know about the common noun. It is a general call to people, general call to animals and things. And the third one is collective nouns. When the word we can use collect. Collect means क्या होता है? We are collect the all things. We are collect the flowers. We collect the papers. है ना? जैसे हम बोलते हैं please collect the papers. Those who have write it down. ठीक है? तो collect means क्या होता है? जमा करना. तो जमा करने में क्या है ना? collect means हमारे माइंड में क्लिक आता है. It's a collect मतलब जमा करना. So it's a collective noun. तो collective noun में क्या आता है? A collective noun is the name of given to a group, people, animals, same place. समझ में आएगा? Collect means a group of क्या होता है? Persons, a group of people. And समझ में आपको? So they are given 4 pictures again. So we have to recognize, we have to identify, they have to clue कि what's the exact the collective noun. See, first we can see the it's a family. So family obviously it is a group. In the family we can't count the one people. Obviously in the family we can count one more than 2 than 4 है ना? मतलब एक से ऊपर हम उसको काउंट करते हैं. द कलेक्ट है ना? तो जैसे I go out with my family. तो my family क्या आ गया उसमें? It's a collective क्योंकि family में बहुत सारे लोग हैं. 1 से ज़्यादा मतलब more than 2-3 people. So obviously मैं अपने पेरेंट के साथ कहाँ जा रहा हूँ? आउट ऑफ जा रहा हूँ मतलब बाहर जा रहा हूँ. तो obviously वहाँ पे देखो रेड में हमें दिया गया है स्पेशली. तो फैमिली इज द कलेक्टिव नाउन्स. सेकंड में क्या दिया है? गौरव गेव हर अ बकेट ऑफ फ्लावर्स. तो ऑब्वियसली बकेट ऑफ फ्लावर्स मींस क्या होता है? सॉरी बफे. सॉरी गौरव गेव हर अ बफे ऑफ फ्लावर्स. सो बफे मींस क्या होता है? वो पूरे फूलों का गुच्छा. तो फूलों के गुच्छे में तो नॉट अ सिंगल फ्लावर, दे आर द बकेट ऑफ मतलब सो मेनी फ्लावर. सो ऑब्वियसली बफे में क्या आएगा? वहां पे बफे उसमें क्या आएगा? इट्स अ कलेक्टिव नाउन्स. द लुक एट द shoal of fish. shoal of fish में देखो कितने सारे फिश है वहां पे. सी द shoal इज कलेक्टिव नाउन्स. Mummy forget to carry the bunch of keys. There is no single keys in their bunch. So many bunch हमको किसको बोलते हैं कि अरे वो पेपर का बंच है, ये इसका बंच है, हम ऐसे बोलते हैं ना. bunch of keys मतलब बंच में कितने सारे आ रहे हैं? more than 2-3 keys. Understood? तो बोला है कि in this sentence given about the words family, shoal, buffet, the bunch describe a group of the people, flower, fish, keys. They are called the collective nouns. मतलब we know the more than one when we see, when we read, it should be a collective nouns. मतलब एक से ज्यादा अगर हमको दिख रहे हैं, the group of family है, bunch है, जैसे हम बोलेंगे कि बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं, they all the people. when we obviously we put in a collective nouns. Okay, so today we will today we had completed the exercise E, F and also as well as we took the three the types of, हमने जो लिए थे kinds of noun के जो types वहाँ का हमने कौन सा देखा था, थर्ड. Already we have taken the which one, proper, common and today we took the collective nouns. Okay, even we had given example, means we had seen the examples. So today we will start the exercises, depends upon the which one exercise, means collective, मतलब collective nouns के आधार पर हम क्या देखने वाले हैं, हम कल उसके examples देखेंगे, क्योंकि because we know what is the collective noun, on the basis of we have to solve tomorrow the exercises. Okay student, I think you understood the today's class which we went through the collective nouns and previous मतलब common nouns के हमने क्या लिए, examples लिए. Okay, so see you tomorrow. We will take a exercise C. Okay, so student, take care. Goodbye.